Nepal, a beautiful country on the lap of Himalayas. But this beauty comes at a price. The difficult mountainous terrain with muddy and slippery roads has made the life of people miserable. The effect in health sector is the most devastating one. So, how can we solve this problem? Our solution, the drones. We plan to create a network of low-cost drones to connect the underserved rural sub-health post of Nepal to the well-equipped surrounding district hospitals. A health assistant from a rural health post selects the medicines and places an order to be delivered from the distribution center. The distribution center gets notified and checks for the order in Hive, our drone monitoring system, and it confirms the order and prepares the payload package for the delivery flight. The flight plan for the drone can also be made in Hive with waypoints. And the coordinates can be set for the payload drop and land. Now we open the drone control and choose the drone for flight. We download the mission and now can initiate the flight. Our drone is capable of VTOL as well as forward flight. This gives us an advantage in mountainous terrain because of its portability and requiring less physical infrastructure. After it reaches its destination in the rural health post, it drops the payload. The health assistant in the rural health post retrieves the payload package with a smile on his face. The real-time coordinates and other information of the drone can be monitored in Hive by the distribution center.